Let's start by creating your first map in MAPOG. Go to Create or Publish Maps and click on Create a new map. MAPOG gives you two ways to start. First is the blank map. A blank map is built for core GIS work. Here, you can work with your uploaded reference layers, GIS data, and analysis tools. You will only see these GIS options. Second is the template map. Here, some templates are already created for you. It is an add-on over the blank map, so you will also get all the functions of the blank map here. MAPOG offers 6 ready-made templates, each designed for a specific use: list view, map plus list view together. Travel, route-based itinerary. Single location, one location highlight. Bearing angle, direction between points. Store mapper, multiple stores with CTA. Category map, group your locations by category. Choose what fits your use, and you're ready to begin. In the next video, we'll explore the multiple ways to add layers to your map.